Hi everyone, I'm Niraj Shial from Amratpal A Vision, and today we are going to talk with our students who are here in Ahmedabad from across the country, and currently they are doing their German language course. So let's talk with them and get to know how has been their journey of learning from A1 to B1 proficiency in German. So Rudrash, let's start with you. Please tell us, how is your journey?
Yeah, I can say with confidence that you have taught us well, and I have given all of my exams from and I have learned all of my from A1 to B1 from here, and I can say with confidence that I will pass the upcoming exam, and because of your efforts and because of your teachings. Thank you.
Yeah, so let's talk with our another student, Kushal Munjani. Yeah, Kushal, please tell us.
Yeah. Hello. I have completed my B1 course recently, and I have passed my A1 and A2 examination with 81 marks. And I think if anyone wants to learn German in Ahmedabad, they can contact Amratpal A Vision. Thank you.
Uh-huh. Thank you, Kushal. Yes, we have one more student of mine, Riddhi. Yeah, Riddhi, please tell us.
I was good experience A1, A2, B1 course, and she is very helpful for me. I definitely passed my B1 course exam. Thank you, Neeraj ma'am.
Yeah, thanks a lot, Riddhi. Yeah, we have another student, Grishma. Yeah, Grishma, please tell us.
Hello, ma'am. Currently, I'm doing B1 and with Niraj Shial, ma'am, and it's going really well. The classes are always interesting and well structured. And thanks to Niraj Shial, ma'am, that I feel more confident in German speaking. Thank you.
Yeah, indeed, here as well. Yeah, we have another student of mine, Pratham Bhausar. Yeah, Pratham, please tell us.
The experience was very good, and ma'am always gave us confidence about speaking in German, and it was very good experience for me, and I'm currently doing my B1 here, so it was a very good experience.
Yeah, thanks a lot. And we have one more student of mine, that is Rahil. Yes, Rahil, please tell us.
Yeah, I have a very great experience with Amratpal A Vision. I am currently pursuing my B1 training and I am planning to give my exam, and the madam is very supportive for the language. Thank you.
Yeah, thanks a lot, Rahil, for your words. Yeah, we have one more student of mine, Vineet Raj, who is here from Jharkhand. Yeah, Vineet.
My experience has been very surreal. The classes here are taken in a very good manner, like that even a beginner like me have had no issue in grasping the language. So thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, thanks a lot. Yeah, we have one more student, Upen Chaudhary. He is here from Jaipur, Rajasthan. Yeah, Upen.
I'm Upen Chaudhary. I come from Jaipur, Rajasthan. I have a very great experience with Niraj Shial ma'am. She explains me everything in a very good manner, and I able to crack my A1 in only just 4 weeks. Thank you.
Yeah, thanks a lot. Yeah, we have one more student who is from Pune. Yeah,
Hi.
Tanmay.
Hi, my name is Tanmay. I'm from Pune with Niraj ma'am. She has made German language easy and fun. It's easy to grasp with the German language with her, and she has made class fun. Thank you.
Thanks a lot. And we have one more student who is here from Pathankot, Punjab. Yes, Pratham.
My German learning experience has been very good, and I would like to thank you for making German classes easy and fun. You helped me a lot in learning German. Thanks a lot.
Yeah, anytime. Yes, we have one more student, Harsh Modi. Yeah, Harsh.
Yeah, since I have joined A1, right now I have just completed my B1. The experience has been very excellent with Neeraj ma'am, and I think that I will pass my B1 examination in just one try, and I have already completed my A2 examination, and I have already passed it. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, anytime. We have one more student of mine, Adarsh Rajavat. He's here from Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh. Yeah, Adarsh.
Thank you, ma'am. First of all, my experience is really amazing. I completed my A1 level to B1, and the period is of 3 months. And like I really enjoy the period, and the experience is really amazing.
Yeah, anytime for sure. We have one more student of mine who is here from specially Meerut, Uttar Pradesh. Yeah, Munir.
Hello all, my name is Mohammad Munir and I come from Meerut, Uttar Pradesh. Currently I am doing my A2 German language course, and I would really appreciate Neeraj ma'am's effort toward me that had helped me throughout the course, and I feel that I will surely pass the A2 exam. Thank you.
Yeah, for sure. Yes, we have another student of mine, Sumit, who is here from Nagpur, Maharashtra. Yeah, Sumit.
Good morning, all, and I would like to share my experience with Amratpal and Niraj ma'am also. It is very important that when you're learning a new language, that you have a good experience and environment to learn. And it is the best environment I had and I experienced throughout the duration of my German language. And I thank Niraj ma'am to support and have a good experience. That's all. Thank you.
Yeah, thanks a lot. We have one more student of mine who is here from Chandrapur, Maharashtra, Sharvari. Yeah, Sharvari?
Hey there. Here, my experience so far was so amazing, and I think she's the best educator I could ever get for German courses.
Yeah, thanks a lot. We have one more student of mine, Quincy. Yeah, Quincy, please tell us.
Yeah, I have recently completed my B1 language learning course here, and my experience was so amazing. Especially Niraj ma'am has supported and helped me in every possible way, in which I have faced difficulties. Slowly and gradually, I also got the confidence as well for the examination.
Yeah, thank you. And finally, we have one of my student, my sweet student, yeah, Anika, who is here from Delhi. Yeah, Anika?
Yeah, my journey was full of new learnings, and the reason behind my confidence is the support of Niraj ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah. So guys, if you are also looking forward to learn German language, then do contact us at Amratpal A Vision. So see you then. Bye-bye.